Go to website iRecordinfo.com. Scroll down at the bottom of the page. Select Import Templates. To download the template, click on the download icon of AutoJV. Select the file Multimember AutoJV. Go through the template data. Kindly clear the sample template data. Kindly insert your data to multi-member AutoJV. Kindly save your data. Start iRecord software. Go to Entry. Select Multi-Member AutoJV. Select JV type. Select account ledger name. Select your configuration. Select file from your path. Select your date period. Click on OK. Kindly refer your data. Kindly map new accounts. Click on Save button. Click on OK. Click on Account name. Select the account. Click on Account Master to create new account. Likewise, you can add multiple account. Click on Update. Verify your data and click on Save button. Go to Reports. Select Account Ledger. Click on only selected account. Select the account. After that you will get your results. Go to Member Admin. Select Change Member. Change your member. Click on Start Work. Go to Reports. Select Account Ledger. Click on only selected account. Select the account. Click on OK button. After that you will get your results. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.